Mama said, you know what Mama said?
Well,
Mama said, early bird gets the worm. I think we getting a little carried away over here with that early bird bull. Here we are in Baltimore at 6 o'clock in the morning. Most people haven't woke up yet. I'm gonna go do a meet and greet at 7:30. Do a presentation for 500 people at 8 o'clock. And then we'll head back to Miami after 2 or 3 meetings on around. I'm gonna go see the president. By the way, Mr. President, I'm well adjusted and I'm a very smart person. That's me too.
Nice, baby. We're here, man, we're here.
This is the driver right here. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Picture me rolling, Johnny. Picture me rolling.
Good to see you. Nice seeing you. Happy New Year. What's going on?
How you doing? Good to see you. Happy New Year. Is everything good?
Captain Ryan, let me introduce you to this man. Jimmy Coons.
Hi, how you doing? Good to see you.
Nice to see you. One of the best.
Huh?
One of the best businessmen I've ever met right here.
Well, I appreciate you saying that.
No, he does it right. He's the ethical guy.
Every day you gotta, is a new beginning.
He's always curious. He's always learning. You've been a great example.
Well, thank you so much.
Doing good? Good audience right here, huh?
Oh yeah.
Let me tell you, I'm so excited about this morning. Woo! We got a special guest. And we gotta be enthusiastic because he texted me at 3:59 this morning, taking off from Miami to come to the greatest sales organization in the world. We go back a long ways. But let's right now give a warm welcome to Grant Cardone.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, I appreciate that. You guys got me on? Okay, thank you so much. Hope everybody's doing well this morning. And Jimmy's talking about me being tired. I'm not tired. I'm inspired. I'm inspired by you. How many believe this? How many believe you have more potential inside of you than you're using right now? Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you about the car business a second today, but I want to talk to you mostly about your potential. And then if you do not, I'm just gonna give you a little warning here, like they have warnings on all those drugs, you know, on TV at the end, right? I'm gonna give you a warning here, okay? If you do not pay attention to your potential, you will suffer. You will be unhappy. Your marriage will suffer. Your kid, if you do not pay attention to your potential, if you try to deny that you have more potential than you're utilizing, okay? I'm thinking in potential, right? I'm thinking, man, what could I do? What could I do with the amount of time I have? How much time do you guys have, right? How do you want to go down? How do you want to finish your party? Right? What are your kids going to say about you? What are your parents going to say? What are your neighbors going to say about you? I'm a car salesman at 25 years old and I said, look, I got to get my game on here. I went to my car dealer, Terry Collins, that I work for, and I said, I got a drug problem, Terry. I got to go to treatment. Can you give me 30 days? I'm going to go to treatment for 30 days and I'm going to come back. Okay? Can you give me 30 days? Will you make sure my job's still here? He's like, man, you can kick it yourself. Dude, if I'd have kicked it myself, that'd have been 9 years ago. I'd have quit using drugs 9 years ago because I've tried to stop at least 20 times a day for the last 9 years, since I was 16 years old. Okay? Went off to the treatment center, came back, Terry gave me the job back. I came back, I was terrified. 30 days I'm in a treatment facility. I met a guy named Bob in that treatment facility. Bob was like, he was like Jimmy's age. Old dude. Old, decrepit dude. I got alcohol problems, shaking, man. He's all shaking, everything. I'm 25 years old. Okay? Oh, Bob's 60-something years old. Like, oh, Jimmy's age. Old dude. He's a lot older than me, man. Look at the difference, come on. Okay, so check it out, check it out. I saw Bob, I was 25 years old. I saw Bob, I'm like, oh my God, dude, what took you so long to get here? He's like, man, I got a drinking problem, I got a drinking problem. I'm like, yeah, but what took you so long to get here? Damn, I'm 25, you're 66. Right? He's like, what do you mean? What took you so long to get to this treatment center, man? You got to get there quick. If you're going to make mistakes in your life, make them fast. Right? If you're going to lose a deal, make them lose the deal fast. If you're not going to make any money on a deal, make sure the deal's quick. Right? How many made no money on a deal this month? But it took 4 hours. That's stupid, man. See, most of you in the room, unfortunately, you listen to the media so much, you think you're everything's good. You think you're fine, okay? Because the media has not exposed the reality on the middle class. They talk about poverty and they talk about the rich people, and they never talk about the people in between. The people in between in this country suffer more than the people in poverty. People in poverty are actually taken care of. People in the middle are completely ignored. I'm talking about the people that make 200 grand a year and live up here and still don't have any money left over. They send their kids to school, they got 2 BMWs, they live in a nice house, they have air conditioned water and heat, right? And there's no money. So they send a little bit of money to a Keogh account and they think, okay, we're going to retire one day. You're going to be old one day. By the time you get to use that money, you'll be so old you won't want to use it. The only thing that's going to change anything for you and your family is like, hey man, what am I doing here? Okay? You don't need to go work in another industry. You take the habits you have right now to the restaurant business will fail. Every business is in disruption right now. Everything is changing. You want to go trade Bitcoin? It's going to take a commitment. It's going to take ups and downs. Going to be a bunch of ups and downs in that crypto play. Everybody agree? Yeah. Okay. You want to go do the real estate game rather than the car game? I'm going to tell you something right now, man. If you don't bring commitment and discipline and fortitude and persistence to the real estate game, you will get killed in the real estate game. There's no game that you're going to win at that doesn't require a commitment. This is something you don't hear much in society today. In society, particularly by a lot of motivational speakers, you'll see a lot of memes and a lot of quotes and a lot of Instagrams. Follow your heart and do the things you love. How many of you have seen that quote before? Yeah. Do what you love and the money will follow. How do you explain to artists then? Give up what you have to get where you want to go. The gap is where you are to where you could be. Thank you for having me. Thank you very much.
Outstanding job. One thing about the Coons organization, I get up every morning, I love the car business. And it doesn't a day go by that I say to Jim O'Connell, what can we do to make our organization better? What can we do to help our people? So I hope today was a start of a great 2018. We're going to have the best year we ever had. The key is to start off having a great month in January. Thank you all so much. Let's have a great 2018.
Hello, my name is Crystal Coons. I'm the spokesperson for Jim Coons Automotive Companies, and we just heard Grant Cardone speak today, and it was absolutely fabulous. Very entertaining, very inspirational for 2018.
I thought it was outstanding. I'm Jim Coons from Coons Automotive, and I've known Grant for 35 years, and the key to thing in our business is to help people. And Grant came in and just motivated everyone, talked about there's no limitations, fulfill your dreams, and I think that's the best thing that I can do as an entrepreneur is to be able to help other people. And Grant has done a great job giving us a window of going into 2018 to make it our best year ever.